Come back. Problem 7. Compute the definite integral 0 to 1 x e to the 8x dx. So notice this is a definite integral 0 to 1. All right, let's go through this. So to evaluate the definite integral, we first evaluate the indefinite integral. Okay, integral x e to the 8x. Well, x e to the 8x, so I'll call x to be f, g to be e to the 8x over 8. That is the antiderivative of e to the 8x. So f prime x is 1, g prime x is e to the 8x. Integral f g prime is fg minus integral g f prime. So integral f g prime, f is x, g prime is e to the 8x dx. So together that's your original question. Fg is x e to the 8x over 8 minus g f prime. G is this quantity, f prime is a simple 1. Integral of e to the 8x. So notice this 8 is a constant, but integral of e to the 8x is e to the 8x over 8. So in all it is e to the 8x over 64. So this is x e to the 8x over 8 minus e to the 8x over 64 plus a constant of integration. But notice our question was a definite integral 0 to 1 x e to the 8x dx. So I'll take this integral and evaluate it at 1 and 0. When you first evaluate at 1, you get 1 e to the 8 minus e to the 8. 1 e to the 8 over 8 minus e to the 8 over 64 minus. When we evaluate it at 0, that x forces the first term to be 0 minus. When you substitute x equals 0, that gets me e to the 0, which is a 1. Okay, with a negative here, you see. So with a minus and a minus, it's positive. So I have, so here is e to the 8 over 64 plus 1 over 64, and this is 1 e to the 8 over 8, multiplying top and bottom by 8. That's an 8 minus 1, 7 e to the 8 plus 1 over 64. Okay, check my work. So there's your answer. 7 e to the 8 plus 1 the whole over 64. Okay, good. Next. Definite integral 1 to 8 square root t natural log t. To find the definite integral, we first need the indefinite integral. Square root t natural log t. We rewrite it placing the natural log t first because it's easier to find the antiderivative of square root t. G is the antiderivative of square root t, which is 2t to the power 3 halves over 3. F is natural log t. Derivative of f is 1 over t. Derivative of g is square root t. Integral fg prime is fg minus integral gf prime. F is natural log t, g prime is square root t. F is natural log t, g is 2t to the power 3 halves over 3 minus integral g is 2t to the power 3 halves over 3 times f prime is 1 over t. So that t reduces this to get me t to the power half. 2/3 comes out. All of this is 2t to the power 3 halves natural log t over 3 minus 2/3 t to the power half. Integral of t to the power half. Add 1, so that's 3 halves, and dividing by 3 halves, which is same as multiplying by 2/3 all over again. So that's your That's your indefinite integral. Now to evaluate the definite integral with these limits, you apply your result, evaluate it 8 and 1 and find their difference. Okay, 8 to the power 3 halves, natural log of 8, 8 to the power 3 halves, 1 to the power 3 halves, natural log 1, 1 to the power 3 halves. The thing to note is natural log of 1 is 0. So this term doesn't show up. 1 to any power is 1. Negative and a negative makes it positive, 4 nines. The rest I have just left it as it is. Notice 8 to the power 3 halves, 8 to the power 3 halves, and so that's common. So 2 natural log 8 minus 4 nines. To get a common denominator of 9, multiply by 3 here. So that's a 6 natural log 8 minus 4 plus 4. Okay. So notice this 4 is outside. This 4 is inside. So there is, you need to show some care here. All right. So this is the final answer. Let's get, whoops, not that one. There you go. This one. Let's check. It's a long looking fraction, so I'll introduce parentheses. 8 power 3 halves, parenthesis 6 natural log 8 minus 4 plus 4 all power 9. All right, that's correct. Next, integral of x arctan 2x. Integral of x arctan 2x. Okay. X arctan. What is arctan? That's tan inverse of 2x. Rewrite it because you see it's difficult to find antiderivative of tan inverse. So write that first and x later. So f is the first factor, g is the antiderivative of the second factor. What's the derivative of tan inverse? Well, it is 1 over 1 plus argument square. All right, and then don't forget chain rule gives me a 2 upstairs. What is derivative of g? Well, that's simply x. Formula of integration by parts, integral fg prime is fg minus integral gf prime. Once you have this, f is tan inverse 2x, g prime is x dx. So this is your original question. Fg, f is tan inverse 2x, g is x squared by 2 minus integral g x squared by 2 times f prime, which is 2 over 1 plus 4x squared. 2's cancel. So I have x squared upstairs and 1 plus 4x squared downstairs. I've simply placed a 4 above and a 4 below. You will see in a minute why. Okay, I've written a 4 above and a 4 below. Why did I do that? Because of this 4. Okay, everything else is the same. The denominator 4, I bring it out. Numerator 4, I keep it in. If you notice 1 plus 4x squared and 4x squared. I'll rewrite the upstairs as 1 plus 4x squared minus 1. 1 minus 1, so no change. Why did I do that? I can now split this particular fraction as 1 plus 4x squared over 1 plus 4x squared minus 1 over 1 plus 4x squared. This quantity is simply a 1. Its integral is easy to find. This quantity is 1 over 1 plus 4x squared. Its integral is tan inverse. So notice this 1 over 4, that's a common factor, all right? Integral of 1 over 1 plus 4x squared is tan inverse 2x over 2. That too with this 4 is an 8. So this is your final answer. Let's put that in. X power 2, maybe let's expand it. X power 2 arctan 2x over 2 minus x over 4 plus arctan 2x over 8 plus constant of integration. Let's check your answer. Answer is correct. Next problem. Let's continue next problem in our next video.